guys, and I just got some new slime, and I meant to put it in the container before I started recording. That didn't work as planned. But this one is very pink and very satisfying again. Ooh, very stretchy. And very transparent if you want it to be. Other than that, it's really interesting. We have another slime. New slime review. Yeah. So one slime's up. Oh, this one's weird. That just fell right out. I did not want to stay in there. So here's this one. Purple, neon, still the same one. And it's very stretchy. It just broke. It will break, but it is still very stretchy. And I can fit it perfectly over the camera. Now, the other one made a better sound when you stick your hands in it, but that's okay. This one is really nice, and yeah. This one won't get stick to your hands as much as the other one, but it's still stickier on the table and other than. Ooh, look guys, it's a slime bubble. Pop it. Pop the slime bubble. Let me make my own little big slime bubble. And then I can stick my hands in it, because I like doing that. You know, I can't make slime bubbles, but those were my new slimes. And so guys, bye. I hope you liked my slime video.